my grisaille painting study, and let us paint this image with Sonnet Watercolor. Now I'm going to try the Sonnet Watercolor. I bought this pen set online. This is the cover. I removed the plastic cover because it was sticky and sticking to the pans of the colors. I thought of buying white knights, but I am on a budget. So let's see the effect of this watercolor on one of my drawings. They say this is a cheaper version of white knights. The back has the information of the names of the watercolors. 24 beautiful colors come with this pack. It says from St. Petersburg, Russia. I had a very brilliant idea here. I have my empty watercolor pan container. I don't want to use the holder of the original container because it was flimsy and it's made of plastic. So I decided to put them here on this empty pan set container. Now what I am actually doing is that I'm just aligning the colors according to the arrangement of the names on the plastic cover, as you can see from this one that is originally on that watercolor pan set. So I'm just putting them inside the watercolor pan set container one by one. Now this is finished and the watercolors fit perfectly on the container. I only noticed that the watercolors are sticky after trying to close it. Some of it sticks to the cover lid, but that is okay for me because I now have my own secure watercolor pen set holder with the Sonnet watercolors in it. Now let's begin the application of the watercolors on the drawing I have made here. This is my grisaille painting study. And let us paint this image with Sonnet Watercolor. And a little information, the grisaille is a painting. It's actually a method of using only one color. So it's usually gray or neutral gray color. This is often used to create underpainting or the first layer of a painting of that image, which later will be colored, like what I'm doing right now. So as you can see on the drawing or the image that I've done here. So you can use that if that is actually what you want to do, but otherwise you can just use your watercolors, just directly paint on your drawings or your image. I can say that a Sonnet watercolor blends well with my gray underpainting, and it gave me the color output that I needed for the table part here. Now I'm not painting on just one side of the drawing because I want to see where I can also use the same colors on a different side or part of the drawing. And of course we need to make sure that we're going to balance or make harmony of the colors throughout the painting. I'm going to fast forward this whole video with a little background music, and then later on we will see what happens with the use of this Sonnet watercolors and the effect it had on my drawing. The painting is now done. Let me show you guys the image and hope you can appreciate the last video taken. I finished during the nighttime, so the lighting is quite far off. And the verdict, the Sonnet watercolors have good tinting qualities and it's very affordable than the premium counterpart. I put the link on the description box where you can buy the Sonnet watercolor pen set. I tried this with one of my abstract study painting. I'm not yet good with just plain abstract art. It may not look good in the video, but on the actual, the colors and the color blend are pretty nice. Hope you guys liked the video for today. Let's all be friends and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as well as hitting the bell button to be notified of the next video. I do videos every Tuesday and Friday. Bye!